This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Karen Pitkin. Completely rebuilt home, ready for immediate occupancy. This 4-bedroom/3-bath property includes the fully refurbished original 3-bedroom/2-bath home with an open floor plan and high-quality amenities, plus a separate 1-bedroom/1-bath suite with kitchenette. It's a perfect setup for extended family or Airbnb. Designer finishes throughout, including gleaming wood flooring, all-new lighting, updated baths, and a gourmet's dream kitchen. The open living room, dining room, and kitchen have vaulted ceilings with custom galvanized panels. The kitchen features new Whirlpool stainless appliances, granite countertops, and huge island. The expanded owner's suite abuts the north side of the living area. 2 BRs, bath and a den/office occupy the south side. There's a massive sun-filled mudroom and laundry. Above the new garage is the guest bedroom/bath/greatroom, kitchenette, and second laundry hookup. Enjoy the lot's large deck, fenced yard, covered porch, and fire pit. Must see to appreciate the many fine amenities in this home. See the attached information and disclosures for more details.